Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two of the top espresso machines in the market, Philips Espresso Machine and Mueller Premium Espresso Machine. We will be evaluating the products in different categories to help you decide which one suits your needs better. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine really stands out in this category. It offers dual brew options where you can grind and brew single or double shots of espresso and even adjust the temperature. This level of versatility is not offered by Philips Espresso Machine. If you are looking for a complete barista experience, then the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is the clear winner. It comes with a complete barista kit and allows you to create cafe-quality classic espresso, Americano, cappuccino, and more. Philips Espresso Machine doesn't come with a kit, but it does offers reprogramming options when the size and amount are adjusted. Both products offer an adjustable grind setting, but the quality of the grind is better in Mueller Premium Espresso Machine. It comes with a conical burr grinder, which creates a more uniform grind for single or double batches. Philips Espresso Machine can experience inadequate pressure for a proper brew if the grind is too coarse or too little coffee is used. Mueller Premium Espresso Machine offers more control options, quickly dispenses coffee you extract from fresh ground coffee beans, and allows you to cycle through your options using the knob selector. Philips Espresso Machine can be tricky to use and requires precise tamping of the grounds before brewing is done to avoid inadequate pressure for proper brewing. Both products are priced at $399, so there is no difference in price to consider. We hope this comparison video has helped you decide which espresso machine could be the right choice for you. If you would like to learn more about the products, please check out our links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.